All right, we're checking in with Tyler Orton with Business in Vancouver, and we are expecting some changes from the U.S. Federal Reserve when it comes to interest rates today.
Yeah, we've really been getting strong signals from Fed Chair Janet Yellen ever since the summer. She's been pointing to stronger U.S. economic data. We're talking about jobs, GDP growth right there. And the reason why this is important is because the overnight rate, it influences everything from interest paid on loans to the value of currencies. So the Bank of Canada, it cut its overnight rate twice last year in an effort to spur business investment across Canada. This also had the impact of dropping the loonie further in its value. And if we have the Federal Reserve raise rates this afternoon, as is expected, we can expect the loonie to dip even further. So it's going to be a little tougher on maybe some cross-border shoppers in Canada, but it's good for the Canadian export market, especially since the Bank of Canada wants to push a lot of non-energy exports. So overall, nobody's expecting the Bank of Canada to do anything with its rates throughout 2017, but we could expect, and some economists are saying that the loonie could actually dip as low as 69.70 cents by the end of the year. So we'll have to keep our eyes out for that. But overall, this could be good for Canada once they make their decision later this afternoon.
All right. And Tyler, this morning we've been reporting on the federal government's task force report into legalizing marijuana in Canada. And I guess that's having a bit of an effect on the markets this morning when it comes to marijuana companies.
They seem to like it at this point. We had a number of marijuana companies see their stocks just surge. Look at Canopy Growth. That's Canada's largest marijuana company. It had prices go up 7%. Meanwhile, smaller companies, they're benefiting as well on the TSX Venture Exchange. For example, Emerald Health, they saw their stock prices go up as much as 12%. I just want to highlight this, though. A lot of these companies on the TSX Venture Exchange, and I'm not singling out, say, Emerald Health or anything like that, but they're so-called sort of zombie stocks, in that they might be shell companies. For example, a lot of mining companies started saying that they were going to get into the marijuana business, but these companies aren't actually doing anything. So I really want to push investors to take a very hard look at these companies before they put any money into it, because a lot of these guys, they're just looking to boost these penny stocks where they can. So this is something, it's an industry in its infancy. Be careful when you're investing. That's all I want to say to listeners or viewers right now.
All right, Tyler, thank you very much.